better. To eliminate air leaks, I've blanked off this take. I found out this used to go to the servo on the Disco 1, and this one here goes to the purge valve. So I blanked that one off as well. Runs nice. Now the only noise you can hear is from this pulley here, which I'll be replacing the bearing later. But there's still a little bit of a mist from somewhere, but see, there's a little bit of a hesitancy. It's running a lot better. I'll get that pulley sorted out and then we'll work on this engine a bit. But it is running a lot better. But now I can plug in the computer into the OBD2 port and find out what's going on. So let's go and have a look at the old plugs. So here are the plugs. That one was firing. That one sort of. Nope. Nope. That one's firing. Nope. Sort of. Sort of. So I think that's its problem. I know there's a little bit of a misfire. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll get that worked out. But first of all, let's get that bearing changed. So, here's the car running. 10 minutes, boom, dead. And I'm thinking, oh, now what? Just cut out, boom. It's just like somebody turned the key off. That's me woodpecker. Hey, that's one thing that's cheers me up today. No idea. But there was no fuel. Well, we just put like 20 litres in it the other day, so that was okay. But when you test the pressure, you know, the output, I think I'll change my life to a bloody woodpecker. It's far simpler. So when I was checking it, I couldn't make anything out. Anyway, I plugged the computer in to a regular diagnostic computer, and it says it's got a code P1607 MI circuit open or short circuit. Now I don't really know what that means, because I tried to clear the code and it wouldn't clear. Now I'm going to have a look into that, because the wire isn't connected to the dash. I might just have to rig up something temporary to see if I can get that working, but that's the only code that's on there. There's no other faults. But when I did read about it, it was saying if there's 255 faults found, it would throw the check engine light type of thing and cut it off. And what it's done is, from the computer, it's cut off the fuel supply feed that goes to the engine management relay. I know it's technical, and I hate it still. I hate this even more now, because every time I seem to do something, there's another thing. But it was running really, really nice. But now I've got to work out what the hell this MIL light is, and what the circuit is, so I can fake it. Does it go to ground? Does it go to positive? You don't know, you see. That's the thing. I hadn't got it hooked up, but it's strange how it started up. I've never seen that fault before. Clear it off, come straight back. So I don't know. I wrote to RPI, who did the computer for us, hoping they could shed some light on it, but ever since I sent that email I found out it might be this here, so I'm gonna get on with that later. I'll just need a break from this again. Perhaps another 6 months, but it was so close, so close. Oh well, see ya.